Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lydia and this is going to be an EFT tapping session on feeling worthy and deserving. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to be a YouTube girly. If you do like my videos, you can also check them out on TikTok as well. We're having a lot of fun over there. I'm going to preface this video with saying EFT has been profoundly beneficial in my life. I cannot stress how much EFT has helped me manifest what I want, regulate my nervous system and create a calm state of being. I used to be a manic little mess. I know it's hard to fathom that because I seem so confident and bubbly on these videos. My head was too blessed to be stressed, but stressed nonetheless. It's not as much anymore, don't get me wrong. I still have my moments, I still have doubts, I still have fears, but when I do have those things come up, I regulate my nervous system and EFT is my go-to. It used to be meditation, but I find, I have self-diagnosed ADHD. I've got something, but I like doing something physical as well as, focusing on positive affirmations and moving through the subconscious blockages. And that's why I personally prefer it to meditation. However, meditation still has a place in my life as well. But I just wanted to tell you how much I love EFT. So if you want to find out all about EFT and join along with me, then you're going to love this video. So if you've never done EFT before, then just follow along as I go and do what I do. You can either say these affirmations and these statements out loud, or you can do them on your inside voice, or you can just listen to me. So here we go. Starting with the karate chop. Even though I don't feel worthy, I am choosing to love and accept myself. Even though I do not feel worthy, I am choosing to love and accept myself. Even though it feels really hard for me to feel like I deserve anything good in life, it feels hard for me to feel worthy, I am choosing to love and accept myself. We're going to move to the points. It just feels so hard for me to accept that I deserve good things. It just feels so hard for me to feel worthy. It feels hard for me to know that good things are on their way to me. It feels hard for me to feel like I deserve good things to be on their way to me. It feels really hard for me to feel like the universe is going to send me good things. I just don't feel worthy of them. I don't feel like I'm good enough. I actually don't even feel like I matter that much. I don't feel important. And I feel like it's really hard for me to manifest what I want. It's just so hard for me. I have pain in my body and in my mind from the past that is making me feel like it's hard for me. It's making me feel like I can't have nice things. It's making me feel like I'll never get what I want. And maybe this pain has come from other people, or maybe it's come from me, but I just know it's there. And I'm really struggling to shift it. I'm struggling to see how I do deserve nice things. I see everybody else getting nice things, but it doesn't feel like it's a possibility for me. But the truth of the matter is, if other people can have nice things, then I can have them too. Because when I really think about it, although I don't feel worthy or deserving, there's actually nothing that bad about me. I'm really not that bad of a person. I'm actually quite a good friend. I'm a good family member. I try to be the best I can be for people. And so because I know that I do actually have quite a good heart, I know that on some level I do deserve nice things. I do deserve to at least feel worthy of them. And I know that feeling is going to come from me focusing on that feeling. I know that the more I focus on how unworthy I am, the more I'm going to feel it. The more that's going to feel like a fact for me. So maybe I just need to shift my focus a little bit more each and every day. Maybe I just need to work a little bit harder on realising my worth and realising I do deserve these things. Because I know that manifestation works. I've seen everybody else use manifestation. It must work. If it works for them, it can work for me. So although it doesn't really feel natural for me to tell myself I'm worthy or deserving, because the brain doesn't like change, so it's going to fight back sometimes. Eventually, the more I focus on it, the more it's going to come true. The more I focus on how worthy I am and how loving I am and how nice I am and how deserving I am, the more that's going to feel true for me and the more that's going to become my reality. So I'm going to choose to do that from now on in. I'm going to choose to focus on the things that are good about me. I'm going to choose to focus on the fact that I'm actually a lovely person. I'm going to choose to focus on the fact that I'm a nice person. And I'm going to choose to focus on, because of those things, I know I deserve to have at least some of the good that this life has to offer. And I know that when I focus on that, eventually I'll know that I deserve all the good that life has to offer. So I'm choosing to feel worthy today. I'm choosing to feel like I deserve the world today. Because I do. I deserve the world. I deserve the whole fucking world. There's actually nothing wrong with me. I am good enough exactly as I am right now. I'm good enough right now to receive everything that I want to receive. I'm good enough right now to let all the good things flow in. I am worthy. I am deserving. I am so loved. The universe loves me so much. The universe is sat there waiting to give me exactly what I want. And I am allowing that to come in now. I am allowing myself to have all the good things this life has to offer. I'm going to let the universe show me how good it gets. Because I deserve it. I really deserve it. In body, mind and spirit. Drop your arms, let them hang heavy, and take a deep breath in and release. You may need to do this exercise a few times. I actually recommend doing it twice a day, or rotating different topics of EFT twice a day to regulate the nervous system, to feel calm and remove these subconscious blocks from your system so that you can manifest the best life possible. Let me know in the comments if there are any specific topics you would like me to cover in my EFT tapping sessions, and I hope you all have the most wonderful day.